So what'd you do? Let me see. Where'd you do the creamer? You didn't pump anything? Creamer?
Oh, I put some creamer.
Alright, let me see. Open it. A ver cómo se ve. Ooh, beautiful.
Nice.
Canela and everything in there.
Nice.
Did you see that? Look, I don't even want to open it too much because it's going to spill. Look at that.
Yeah, nice.
Today we're going to bring a coffee maker. Well, this is a coffee for if you're going to cater people and you got a lot of people coming in, and today we have a lot of people coming in. So right now we just set up the water to almost max, rinsed everything. All right. Now this is very important. This is the actual system that's going to go into the center. All right. So we're going to set this up right now. I'm going to put you guys down. This is the center piece. All right. This center goes in here. If you guys can see it, we're going to drop it in there and see. And then this clogs in there and starts pushing up because it's going to push the water up. All right. And I'm going to show you guys. So here we're going to put the coffee urn. It says here, if you want to make about 55 cups of coffee, you have to add certain cups of coffee compare, right? So you got to make sure you read the instructions prior to set it up. We're going to add two, maybe more, maybe 3. I think 3 is going to be good. So let me add a little bit of that in here. 2 of them or 3. I decided to add a number 3 in there. All right. Now, one important thing, I am going to add a little dash of vanilla, and that's about it. So we're going to add our coffee, and it has to be about 2.5 cups of coffee. All right. So this is, let me get a half a cup. Here's number 2. We're going to do our half now. This is our half. All right, let's cover it up and start the process so I can show you guys how it works. All right, so we're starting the process right now. And so right now, it's heating up the water. As soon as it starts going to the orange, it's gonna start pumping. There it goes. All right, I'm gonna see how much it dripped on the top. It hasn't heated up, so it's starting to heat up. I can see it. It's been a couple minutes already, but look at this. Look at that. Water's pumping already. It's looking really good. So all that coffee is gonna go down. It's gonna get better with time, so just let it be.